What?
I'm Georgia Mason, and this is the Mad Dog Chili Challenge. When you first put it in your mouth, it really starts burning your tongue. Feels almost as if there's a bomb gone off, and then it works its way into the throat. It's really starting to sting my throat now.
Nearly did it, Georgia.
Oh, it's got my eyes watering now.
Touch your face with your thumb.
The eyes are really watering now.
Don't rub them with that hand. Go get a little drop of milk.
Right. There's an extreme danger warning on the side of the bottle. It says Mad is made of using a pure 12 million chili extract. This is hot. Be warned, if you play with Mad, you're playing with fire. It doesn't really tell you much, apart from the fact that it's really hot and it's made from 12 million chili extract.
Put your milk in the top of it.
Hold it up and finish then.
I'm Georgia Mason, and this was the Mad Chili Challenge. Right, done.
Get a drink.
Been waiting for this.
Sloosh it around, don't swallow it.
Don't try this alone. I'm making music.